So can you use a smoke detector in your kitchen or not? That's what one Northern Kentucky man is wondering tonight. We decided to get to the bottom of it for the safety of your family.
It's a little bit high up here. I can't reach it.
Jan Arnott hates the old smoke detector in his kitchen of his Fort Thomas home. It goes off whenever he singes something on the stove, even when the tea kettle whistles too long. So he was excited to find a new model Kidda detector labeled specifically for kitchens.
Listed for kitchen on the front of it. And it also has a tea kettle with a little steam coming out.
But when he got it home, he read the back label, which appeared to say, don't use it in the kitchen.
It says, do not put near a stove, which is the opposite of what is in the front.
Confused and frustrated, he returned it. So can you have a smoke detector in your kitchen? Well, firefighters tell us absolutely yes, as long as you get the right type and you don't put it directly over the stove.
But some of these new age smoke detectors, it's a photoelectric, but it's also got another sensor in there that helps to reduce the amount of false positives, so you can use it inside a kitchen, and therefore if you do burn some toast or burn some bacon, it's not going to be going off all the time.
Fire Captain Steve Kahn tells me the old ionization type detectors do not work well in kitchens. New photoelectrics, he says, will work in kitchens. They're not triggered by steam or burnt toast. Arnott thinks Kidda should change their packaging in that case because the label clearly says keep it 10 feet from the stove.
10 feet away from the stove would be putting it on the front door.
Good point. I contacted Kidda about the label. A spokeswoman told me, yes, it is a new model designed for use in kitchens. However, she said it should not be close to the stove. Bottom line, smoke detectors are a good thing to have, and new photoelectric models are good in the kitchen area, so you stay safe and don't waste your money. Tanya, Craig?